What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys just something that Joytutus sent to me. And the cool thing about this, it's actually something that you can use when you guys are out in the trails or when you guys are camping. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I'll open it up and show you guys. You guys, so what I have right here, like I said, it is from Joytutus. The cool thing about this, what they sent me, it's actually a carrying bag. So you can use this kind of like as a trash bag when you guys are out camping, when you guys are out off-road. So this is a cool option. It's actually really affordable. I'll get into all the details right now. Right now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna install it on my spare tire. You'll probably see most people run them there. You can actually put it inside the car if you wanted to. You could put it in the bed of your car. As far as for me, I'm gonna be running this on my spare tire right here. So I wanted to show you guys how to install it, and then we'll get into the details and just kind of everything you can do with this and how it looks inside. Let's go ahead and look right in the back over here. So it's actually going to come with some straps like this. As you can tell, they just kind of clip in together. So what I did here is I unraveled it all the way as much as I could. So the longest. Let's go ahead and start off with one. We're going to go ahead and put it through the spoke on the right side. So it just goes right around just like that. Nothing hard about it. And then you go ahead and clip it in. So that's how easy it is, and you do that for all four corners. So I'm going to go ahead and do it to this side as well. And once you have it all clipped in, just go ahead and put it in its position where you're going to want it. And it's like a backpack. Then you just pull the straps and it'll tighten down. Now that we have it installed, as you can tell, super easy. You just have to play with it. Like I said, it has like straps like a backpack. So let's go ahead and come right over here. I'll give you guys the details, how it works, and what you could do with it. So looking right here, like I said, the brand is Joytutus. Cool thing about any bag like this, you can either put it inside with you, you could put it in the bed of your truck, you can put it on your spare tire if you guys have a spare tire like me, or if you guys have a Jeep, those also have spare tires, of course. So that's the cool thing about these bad boys. Basically what it is, because I know someone's gonna ask, well, what is it? Well, what this is, it's actually a multi-use bag. So what I mainly use this for is to carry my tools around and a trash bag. So I'll open it up right now and show you guys. So looking right here, it has another backpack type of thing. Go ahead and click it, and you can also adjust depending on how much stuff you have, because it is going to extend out this way. So you can adjust the straps so when you close it. So let's open this up. So looking right here, right off the bat, this bag is actually really big. So I have a 33-inch tire. I know I have 35s on my truck, but on my spare I have a 33-inch tire, just to kind of give you guys an idea of the height and of the width. So like I said, you can throw your trash in here, because of course when you guys do go camping or off-road, anything you pack in, you want to pack out. You guys, you don't understand how much trash people leave out on the trails. It's disgusting, and that's why trails end up closing. So whenever you guys do go off-road or anything like that, please make sure to pack your stuff back out and all your trash. So that's what I utilize this for. I put my trash in here to be safe, so that way it stays sanitary. I actually still use a black trash bag. I'll throw it in here and just leave all the trash out here, because of course I don't want it loaded inside my truck. So that's what I use it for. But you can put many things. When I do carry my tools, I only carry like my wrenches out here. You see this right here? You can actually put assortment of things. You can put wrenches, screwdrivers, just anything out here, crowbars. And it actually has pockets here as well, so you can store some more things in there. And on each side here and here, you actually can store like water bottles or just anything you want. This is a versatile bag. You can put anything. You can also use it for when you guys travel. You can put extra blankets in here. You can put extra clothing in here if you guys want to use this as your clothing bag. I don't know. You could use it for a toiletry bag. So you could, like, say you want to put your essentials like your shampoo. You could put your shampoos in there. You could put your toilet paper. You could put anything you want. Like I said, super versatile, and it's actually crazy affordable. Check out the description box below if you guys want to buy it, but it's there. And it's also, everything is adjustable, so you can actually close this up so that way nothing comes out. You can then close this, strap it in, of course, just like that. Strap it in, and then just go ahead and tighten these things down, and you're good to go. So right now it is empty, as you can tell, so that's how it's going to sit when it's empty. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. They sent it to me, but I thought it was pretty cool to show you guys it. That way if you guys want to buy it, I know there's other brands that make similar ones to this, but this one's affordable and it's easy to acquire. So check it out, description box below. I also have one more thing that they sent me. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but if you guys do have a roof rack, that might work out for you guys, kind of like me. So let's go ahead and jump to the side of the truck and I'll show you guys that. All right, you guys, so this next product that I do have, it's actually from BougeRV, but if I'm not mistaken, I believe they work closely with Joytutus. So like I said, I wanted to display these products for you guys because I thought they were actually pretty cool and they're really affordable. And you can use them, well, basically anybody can use them. Even though you're not in the off-road life, these two products are usable for anybody. So this product that I have right here, I know it looks pretty weird, but I'll show you guys. So if you guys do have a roof rack like me, or just any type of roof rack or anything, just if you have a minivan, doesn't matter what it is, but if you guys store stuff on your roof, sometimes if you guys don't have steps like me, of course these are rock sliders, but I use them as steps, it's kind of a little bit hard to get up here. So noticing I kind of struggled, especially how mine are very low profile. What they invented was this here. Let me go ahead and open up the door. So check this out. So right here in the back, there's an adjuster for this. You guys will see what it does right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it loose. I need it to be loose. You guys will see why. Noticing right here on your door latch right here, you're gonna notice on this BougeRV thing, there's like a little cutout. So you wanna slide it in there. You bring it in till this looks leveled. Once it looks leveled, then you go ahead and latch this down, and as you can tell, it's on the paint. And the cool thing about this, they actually thought it's rubber, so it won't damage your paint at all. So you want to give it a nice quick snug. So as you can tell, this can actually hold a lot of weight. So what this does here, now it makes life a lot easier. So I can get on my roof rack with no problem, just like that. So if I want to take some pictures for that Prinsu life, I can do so at ease without scaring myself to death. Now if I want to get back down, I just use that same step. So let's do that again. So there's the step. Come back down. And just like that, that's what that bad boy does. So this little thing acts as a step. And of course you can utilize it for any of your doors. It doesn't have to be for the back one. All four doors or whatever kind of car you have is going to have those latches, as you can tell. So you can go ahead and sit it there as well. So that's freaking awesome. I thought it was cool of them to send this to me to go ahead and try out. I'm actually going to keep this in the truck. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and go over here. Come check this out. I'm actually going to keep this little step in here. So now I have a 2-in-1 here. So like I said, this is nothing crazy, I know. It's not an actual mod, I know. But it's just something that they sent me, and I thought was pretty cool to show you guys. And anybody in this world that owns a car, or anybody, can get that. So if you guys do end up wanting to get it, I gain nothing out of it. This is all for you guys. Check it out. It'll be in the description box below. If you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Super simple, please feel free to subscribe.